Hodgepodge. First one coming out here is number 40, James Frank from Watkins in a 73 Ford Pinto. Sponsored by Just Truffles and Paint Shop. 808, Ken Frank. Into the 84 Stevenson from Lafayette. Sponsored by Midwest Auto Express. 51, Drew Carls from Waverly in an AMC Pacer. Sponsored by KBS. 21, Jake Greengrass from Howard Lake. Sponsored driving a Napa Potato and K Images. Number 9X, Austin Breggers from Monticello in a 99 sponsored by Bartles Auto Body. 34, Zach Greengrass from Howard Lake in an 89 Camry, sponsored by Napa Potato and KBS. Number 53, Blake Meyer from Hutchinson, sponsored by West Suburban Innovative Storage. 3, 2, 1, let them go. We are going to get these cars to back up. They did move the barricades a bit. There was a whole chain reaction there that went on. 3, 2, 1, go! Starting to get a little quiet. Number 31st, Boulder stick, so that is it. That is it. Fourth place going to number 9X, Austin Bradger. Third place, the number 830 of Max Stevenson. Second place, Zach Grangroth, number 34. And your first place and Mad Dog winner is number 51, Drew Carls.